Expert advice. A vacuum is not just about suction power. Many buyers overlook filtration, maneuverability, and above-floor cleaning. I review home cleaning tools for real-world performance every day, and one model consistently stands out for practical versatility. Meet the Shark Navigator Lift-Away Vacuum, NV360. It combines strong suction, HEPA filtration, and flexible design. That matters because homes face different messes in different places. Carpets trap dust deeply, while hard floors show every crumb. Pet hair clings to fabric, stairs, and upholstery, and allergens can linger if filtration is weak. This vacuum addresses those problems with a smart system. Its multi-surface suction cleans carpet and hardwood with confidence. The brush roll shutoff helps transition smoothly to hard floors. That means less scatter, better pickup, and easier control. For deeper cleaning, the Lift-Away pod changes everything. Detach it to clean stairs, furniture, and elevated surfaces. Attach the crevice tool for tight corners and baseboards. Use the upholstery tool for sofas, curtains, and pet beds. This is especially useful in busy family homes. It is also ideal for apartments with limited storage space. The powerful suction is especially effective on pet hair. It lifts debris from carpets, stairs, and soft furnishings. That makes routine cleanup faster and more complete. The HEPA filter with anti-allergen complete seal adds protection. It traps dust and allergens inside the vacuum. For allergy-conscious households, that is a major advantage. Swivel steering improves maneuverability around furniture and obstacles. You spend less effort pushing, turning, and repositioning. That smooth handling makes everyday cleaning feel less exhausting. The lightweight upright design also supports longer cleaning sessions. The 9-quart dust cup reduces frequent emptying, so you can cover more ground before stopping. In testing, it performs well across mixed household surfaces. It handles crumbs, dust, pet hair, and fine debris reliably. It also reaches above floor spots without needing a second vacuum. That versatility is why many homeowners value it. For the price, the feature set feels especially practical. You get strong cleaning power without unnecessary complexity. If you want one vacuum for carpets and hard floors, consider this. If pets or allergens are a concern, it becomes even more appealing. If you need easier maneuvering, the swivel steering delivers. And if you clean stairs or upholstery often, Lift-Away helps. The Shark Navigator Lift-Away NV360 is a balanced choice. It offers dependable cleaning, flexible use, and everyday convenience. For many homes, that combination is exactly what matters. Choose smart cleaning today. Make the Shark Navigator your next vacuum.